I tell her so they make you know they gon' carry me play. Boy, you love me like you dirty, but you know go fit to be stay. Yeah, you know say me, I know they ever gon' carry you play.
Hey guys, I'm back with another video. So I'm showing you this unit I got from Myqualityhair. So you guys know I love Myqualityhair, like their wigs are so amazing. So this is what the unit looks like. It comes with combs and also adjustable straps. The knots are already bleached, and I'm just showing you guys the extra kind of items that the unit comes with. As you can see guys, this is what the unit looks like straight from the box. Medium brown kind of laces. So this is a unit that you don't really have to do much. Like seriously guys, I was so impressed that it comes pre-plugged and everything's just looking like amazing. Like it is a ready to go kind of unit.
Shorty says you want go away. Say she could come back another day. Oh no, no, no.
You can also wear this unit glueless, you guys, because my wig cap is not matching my skin tone at all, like not at all. I'm just gonna go ahead, you guys, and use my makeup sponge that I use while applying my makeup, and I'm just gonna, you know, personalize that so that it matches my skin tone, at least get closer to my skin tone, okay? Because we're trying to achieve a flawless looking bob wig, okay? You guys know that the bob wigs are in fashion, like they are so summer ready. Like I am summer ready. Yeah, like I love the bob wigs. Like it is a bob wig season, okay? So I'm using the Got2b glued spray. You guys know that I love this because it is very easy and quick, you know, to dry, and you know it doesn't get messy or anything like that. So I actually love it, and I'm just gonna use my blow dryer. Just in case you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed yet, please guys do click the subscribe button and also turn on your notifications. Yeah, I'm trying to reach 200k, you guys. Like seriously, we are so close. Like seriously, I'm so grateful for each and every person that has actually subscribed to my channel from the beginning. I'm so grateful for you guys. Like seriously, you mean the world to me. Thank you so much.
Oh no, no. Mouse on the beat again. Oh no, no, no.
I'm using my Laura body ripping mousse just to, you know, slick my hair down. I did not touch, you know, or plug this hairline. Like it was just like this. Like how gorgeous is this? They did an amazing job. I'm just brushing all my hair away because I don't want the hair to be caught up in the glue. So I'm using like my ripping mousse and brushing the hair away, and I'm just gonna tie my hair down. As you can see guys, that looks absolutely flawless. You guys know I'm not a middle part kind of person, so this unit comes with a middle part. Just using my hot comb just to slick the parting down because this came as a middle part.
When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to.
And I'm I'm using the flyaway tamer, and I'm just gonna go ahead, you guys, and use a little bit of some Got2b glue gel in the black tube, just to lay down some baby hairs. Like, as you can see, guys, that looks flawless. Like, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I absolutely love this sheen, you guys. It is so light, it feels so snug, like the texture is so amazing.
You make me feel so crazy. My heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love.
I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my flat iron and just bump the hair, because this wig was in a box, okay? So if you don't bump it, it's gonna look all kinds of crazy. You have to definitely, you know, bump it somehow, or just straighten it if you prefer.
When there's no hope, loving for you who saw me.
Oh my god, like this looks so natural. Like, and I did get a lot of compliments with this, you know, you guys, because people actually thought this was my hair. Like, that looks like my hair growing from my own scalp. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my powder just to make sure that everything is blending perfectly. Just forget about that line of demarcation. You can see that, but you can actually see how flawless the frontal is. You can see that it is actually melted. Like, it is like looking absolutely flawless.
Feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy. My heart breaks.
I always find myself doing this, like tucking the hair behind my ear. Like, it's just that I don't like too much hair on my face, that's why. So yeah, I really hope you guys are enjoying these videos, and I'm gonna leave all the hair details in the description box down below.
I tell her, to make you know they gon' carry me play. Boy, you love me like you dirty, but you know go fit to be stay. Yeah, you know say me, I know they ever gon' carry you play. It's why I got a lot of things on my mind that I want to say.
I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Also comment, reshare, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.